Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing well during this period. We already have discussed chapter number 2, acid, bases and salts. We are already doing. See, in my previous videos we have done acids, properties of the acids, and bases, properties of the bases. What are the strong acid, weak acid, strong base and weak acid. Now move to the our next topic is the pH of solution. What do you mean by pH of solution? See, pH of the solution is the magnitude of the negative power to which 10 must be raised to express. In simple terms, I can say the hydrogen ions, or you can say concentration of the solution in moles per liter. For example, hydrogen ion concentration is equal to 0.1 mole, that is 10 raised to power minus 1 mole per liter. Now pH scale is usually from 0 to 14. If solution is neutral, it will be a 7. 10 raised to power minus 7 mole. Neutral means pH is equal to the 7. Acidic, pH less than 7. Basic, pH greater than 7. Lesser the pH of the solution, more is acidic. More pH, more is basic. Now the universal indicator. Mixture of the number of indicators shows different color and different pH values. And our next topic is, our main topic is the role of pH in everyday's life. What kind of role plays pH in everyday's life? First role, human blood, saliva, tears have pH range of 7 to 7.8. If pH falls below 7 or rises 7.8, it's very difficult to survive. And plants have healthy growth if pH of the soil is neither alkaline nor acidic. Hydrochloric acid, HCl is a hydrochloric acid produced in stomach to help in digestion. If excess of the acid is produced due to the spicy food, it causes indigestion. So we have to take antacid to overcome this acidity. For example, milk of magnesia. Tooth decay caused by the acid. If pH falls below 5.5, it causes tooth decay. Animals and the plants have self-defense through chemical welfare. The sting by the honeybee, or you can say yellow ant, or the leaves of the nettle plant ejects methanoic acid. My dear students, do remember this acid, methanoic acid, into our body, we feel pain. The tarnished surface of the copper vessel due to the copper oxide layer, which is basic in nature, can be cleaned by rubbing lemon. And the last is muscular fatigue caused by the formation of acid. Now students, what do you mean by muscular fatigue? See, when we are doing heavy exercises, after gym, you can say, after race, after running, see, our muscles starts aching. So this is caused muscular fatigue because our muscular did not get enough oxygen to breathe. So they are doing anaerobic respiration in our body. Without the presence of oxygen, they starts respiring. So it causes the muscular fatigue due to the formation of acid in our muscles. The main topic and the last topic of this chapter is the salts and their formation. We already have done acid and base, and this is the last topic of this chapter, salts. Salts are the ionic compound consisting of the two parts. One carrying positive charge, that is cation, and other is carrying negative charge, that is anion. See, these are the list of some salts carrying positive as well as the negative ones. For example, NaCl. NaCl carry Na positive and Cl negative. Na2SO4, Na positive and SO4 2 negative. These are the examples of the salts. Now, how salts are formed? what are the different methods by which the salts are formed. First, we already have done in acids as well as in the bases. Salts are formed when acids reacts with the base, they form the salt and water. Any of the acid, for example, HCl is an acid, this is acid and this is base. NaOH is a base. When they both react together, they form the salt NaCl plus water. Here is also nitric acid HNO3. When they react with the base KOH, they form the KNO3 plus water. And the second method is by the action of the metal zone acid. Metal plus acid, they form the salt and hydrogen. Any of the metal. Zinc, when they react with the hydrochloric acid, no sorry, this is not the hydrochloric acid, this is sulfuric acid. Zinc, when react with the sulfuric acid, they form the zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas is released. Magnesium, when it reacts with the hydrochloric acid, they form the magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas is released. Third method of the salt formation is the by action of the acids on metal carbonate and bicarbonates. Metal carbonate, any of the metal carbonate, calcium carbonate, when they react with the hydrochloric acid, they form the calcium chloride plus water and carbon dioxide. And the last method for the formation of the salts are by action of the metals on alkalis. Sodium hydroxide, when they react with the any of the metals, zinc, when we heat it, they form the sodium zincate. Sodium zincate is a salt, Na2ZnO2. This is sodium zincate and hydrogen gas has been released. Now next is the families of the salts. See, different families are there. For example, first is the chloride family. That acid is HCl and base, you can take any one of it. They form the salt and water. So salts, NaCl, base involved is NaOH,